All right, guys, when you talk car maintenance, you got to have a conversation about the timing belt. It's typically the first thing people ask about when they're buying or purchasing a car. So let's talk about that for a minute. 70% of the motors out on the road are what's called interference motors. And they call it interference because that valve is hanging down in the combustion chamber. And once that timing belt breaks, that piston comes up, tink, and it is all kinds of ugly when you get that unwanted contact. So if you're going to tackle the job, you want to look for something like this, a Dayco timing belt and water pump kit. It's going to have every single thing you need to do to tackle the job. Because think about what the job is. You got to take off all the engine accessories in the front to actually get to the belt. You need some specific tools and so forth. So if you're going to do it, replacing the parts that wear out is good insurance for the entire car. So when you think about it, think about the Dayco timing belt water pump kit with over 150 part numbers servicing 50 million vehicles, and they're available at Federated Auto Parts.